Today we have this 2017 BMW 340i, and we have the chance to review it today. We are here at BMW of Ontario Certified Division. They have an amazing inventory. They have entries, M4s, and this BMW 340i. The 340i is the successor of the 335, which used to have the N55 engine. With the 340i, we get the fabulous B58 engine. Then it is used in all the modern BMWs like the M340i, the C4, M40i, and the Toyota Supra as well. Yes, that's right, this BMW 340i has the same engine of all the modern BMWs, and it is a certified pre-owned, which means that it has warranty and it has been inspected by BMW, and at the price of $34,000, this is a car then I cannot resist to buy. So today we want to be reviewing it, and we want to give a look of what we get on this BMW 340i. Under the hood of the BMW 340i, we have the B58 engine, as I said at the beginning of the video. This engine is known because the high tuning potential. This engine can produce so much power, and it is a basic engine. It is not even an M performance engine. It is just a conventional engine that you're gonna find in all the BMW products, then add with the 40 designation at the end, and the Toyota Supra as well. Many of you will buy this BMW to modify it to get so much power out of this engine with so simple modifications, and that's why this engine is known of that. And also this engine is so reliable, it's very reliable so far, and that's why it is installed in the new Toyota Supra, because Toyota doesn't like vehicles that are not reliable, and this engine is the proof of that. High performance and reliable is a package deal that you cannot deny. And as I said before, the price of this BMW is $34,000. This doesn't mean that you don't get any special discounts. Yes, there is many discounts you can get. Just make sure to contact Aja Bleu. He is a great salesman here in BMW of Ontario. He's always ready to help and give you the best deal possible so you can drive home this beautiful BMW 340i. Alright, as soon as I get inside the BMW 340i, I noticed that these seats are super comfortable. These seats are like super nice. I don't know why they have, but they are not like the M Performance. It's kind of funny because this car has the M Performance package, which means that it has better wheels, the adaptive suspension, M Performance suspension, and it has a little more horsepower. But these seats are in another level because you have a really sporty oriented car with comfortable seats. That's pretty amazing. I like this car because of that. The interior of the BMW 340i is nothing to get surprised, since they use the same technology as the 4 Series and any other 3 Series product. It's nothing exciting, but it is high class, high quality. But because we have the M Performance package, we have the steering wheel, then sticker, we have the pole shifters, and we have some accessories, then say M here and M there. And very important, we have the front bumper and the rear bumper, then are cosmetic M Performance upgrades, then give the car a better look. Other than that, it is just as a normal 3 Series, same radio controls, same climate controls. We have a sunroof in this case, and the way to start the car is the same way as on the car, any other car. We just press the foot pedal, the brake pedal, and engine starts. You can change the way the vehicle behaves in general, how the engine performs, or the suspension change. By using this little switch over here, you can change how the vehicle behaves, and you can get more power or less power depending on what your needs. Other than that, everything is pretty simple. In this case, we have the sports transmission, which is going to be a little like more dynamic transmission to give you a better feedback when you drive in the vehicle. And the iDrive system is the upgraded iDrive system that we have on this BMW 340i, which means then we're gonna get extra features because we have the M performance package. So here on the iDrive, if we go to my vehicle over here, we click on my vehicle, and then we go to technology in action, we can get the sport display. Then it is oriented to give you the feedback delivery when you are driving your BMW on the highest performance settings possible. That's how you get how much power you're getting or how much torque you're getting out of your BMW. This is an option that you get in all the BMWs M3 and M4s, but because this 340i has the M performance package, you get this as some options, so you can see how your vehicle is performing when you are driving under high performance, because this vehicle is a high performance vehicle, and you need stuff like this to tell how good are you driving. After giving you a quick view of this vehicle, let's go and take it for a drive to see how the 340i drives. Alright, let's go for a test drive of this 340i. The 340i, this is the first year of the 340i, because this is when they introduced the V58 engine. So this engine, it was the first year of the engine, and that's when the number designation changes to 30, from 35 to 40, and it gives this vehicle a differentiation the way it drives. So for example, right now we are driving on EcoPro, and it feels more sporty than the 335. Feels a little more tighter. The steering wheel is a little light, but we are on EcoPro right now, so let's change it to Comfort, and you can feel a little more power. Steering wheel still kind of the same, suspension doesn't vary that much. So let's try Sport, and as soon as you put Sport, you can feel the difference on how the transmission changes. The gears is faster, so it goes to lower gears to give you more feedback when you're driving. And the steering wheel, I can feel that it's a little, just a tiny bit more sportier. Then it's giving you the feedback of the road. So right now let's do a little quick test on Sport Plus. And on Sport Plus, you can see here oh, it's not even on. Nobody has done it. So let's do this. Let's park somewhere and figure out how to put the Sport Plus on this one, because it is not. All right, Sport Plus. Okay, configure Sport Plus. Drivetrain. See, that's what you can change. The drivetrain, when you put the Sport Plus, you can change all that. The chassis, drivetrain, okay. Chassis, okay. So put that train, yes, okay. And let's park somewhere before we continue and crash. So let's do this. Okay, so how will we do this? All right, there we have it. Now the configuration is done. So we have Sport Plus, we have Sport, and we have the Comfort mode. So I think nobody, the previous owner of this car, didn't use it that crazy. So that means then this car is in a pretty decent condition. It only has 35,000 miles, which is good. So now Sport Plus is active. So we're gonna change it as soon as we get to the stop. We're gonna put in Sport Plus to see how the V58 engine performs. All right, let's see right now. And we can see that the power numbers over here, how it behaves. All right, let's go. This thing is quick. This 340i is quick. It doesn't even look that quick. It is actually quick. I think it feels like you don't need to go to the M3 with this one. I know the M3 is a little faster than this one, but this one just gives you this instant power that you need, and that's all you need. I mean, you don't need anything else. It is just enough. It's powerful enough, and it is quick. So right now, let's do manual shifting and see how it does. So just put it on the S over here, and then use the here. This thing is fast. Yeah, this thing is fast. I'm surprised about this thing. Definitely, it is worth the $34,000 and they're asking for this certified pre-owned BMW 340i. This thing changes everything. I'm really surprised about this. And you can see the torque numbers over here. This car is fast. I'm actually surprised about what it is, and I'm not kidding about it. I'm very amazed of this. I'm pretty sure that if you are in a market of a sports sedan and you don't want to go all the way to the M3, this car is the way to go. It has the power, it pulls you back to the seat, and you won't pay the $50,000, $60,000 as a certified pre-owned for a M3. And it is smooth, the seats are super comfortable, and still you get the sport sensation on the of the vehicle, because this car has the sport-oriented suspension and transmission and other stuff that make it look sportier. And I definitely think that this car is a good purchase, no matter what. I'm really surprised about it. I'm really surprised. Yeah. Ready? Yeah. You were recording? Okay. Alright, so this was the review of this 2017 BMW 340i. I am really surprised the performance out of this vehicle. This car has power. And really, I am surprised, super surprised. I was not expecting this much power out of this BMW 340i. And it is good that you can buy it for $34,000, because the price that you're paying for how much performance that you get out of this car is priceless, because you get warranty, you get a decent price, and you got so much performance out of it. You can come over here to BMW of Ontario, the certified pre-owned section, and they want to have this vehicle for sale. And as always, you can contact Aja Bleu. He's going to be ready to help you with a great deal for this vehicle. Just call him and he will be ready to help. In the description below, it will be his information on how to contact him if you are interested on this BMW 340i. I really recommend this BMW 340i over any other pre-owned BMWs, because it gives you the performance, it gives you the look, and it has a good price. I definitely, if I don't want to buy a BMW M spec vehicle, this is going to be my first option. I really like the way this car drives, and I'm not kidding about it. This is all we have for you today. If you wanna see more about us, make sure to subscribe and check all the videos we have prepared for you. We have more videos about BMW of Ontario. You wanna see different vehicles they have. If you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Always subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, because we have different content as well. And thank you for watching.